How to fix TikTok direct message option not showing. First of all, make sure to check your age settings. If your account age is under 16, you won't have access to direct messaging. So for that, you can update your birthday in the settings or contact TikTok support if there is an error. So if you're able to change your birthday, you can change your birthday. If not, contact to the TikTok support. Second option is to adjust your privacy settings. So once you're on your profile page, so in order to go to your profile page, all you have to do is tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of your home page. That's gonna take you to your profile page. Here, tap on the three-line icon at the top right. Now go to settings and privacy. Once you're here, tap on privacy, and under this privacy you will have an option as direct message. So from there, ensure that you have allowed messaging from everyone or followers you follow back. If you can see this option, your account might not meet the eligibility criteria. The third option is to look for the application update. So if you're not able to find this direct message option here, what you have to do is open up Play Store in your device. Tap on the search icon and in the search bar, search for TikTok. If the application needs any update, you will see an update option where I have opened. Tap on update, and once the update is complete, go back and check where problem is solved or not. If still not, then clear some cache. For that, open up the settings, tap on apps, tap on see all apps, tap on the search icon. Now search for TikTok. Once you get into the app info page, tap on storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Clearing the cache will remove some glitches or bugs from the application, which might help you solve your problem. Once you have done that, go back and look in the application if you're able to find the direct message option or not. If still not, close the TikTok application completely and restart the app. If the issue still persists, try to restart your device. And if that still does not help you, the next option will be to uninstall the application and reinstall it back from the Google Play Store, which will give the fresh update or fresh restart to the application, and then you can log into your account, which can fix any corrupted application data. If that still does not help you, now verify your account status. If your account has been flagged or restricted due to some violations, certain features like DMs might be disabled. So in that case, you can contact to TikTok support for clarification. And if none of these steps help you, then what you can do is you can reach out to TikTok support team. So for that, what you can do is open up TikTok and then head towards the profile page and then tap on the three-line icon at the top right. Now go to settings and privacy. Here, scroll all the way down and tap on report a problem. So once you're here, scroll all the way down and there you'll have an option at chat with us. Now you can directly chat with the TikTok help desk, type in your problem and follow the instructions, and then you will get the solution to your problem. So make sure to follow the instruction carefully, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.